Hello everyone, welcome back for another basics video. I'm going to do fans with a flick at the end in this video, so keep watching. So when you do a fan, you want to start at flat, which is right at your belly button, not on your belly button, but just at that level. The right hand is over on the tab, and the left hand is over about 3 hands in, okay? So not here, but just about here, okay? Both hands are over, okay? So I'm going to do it to the back. So it is 4 counts to do a fan, and then 1 more to get back to your starting position. So for count 1, all you do is let go with the left hand, put it at your side, and bring the flag straight up and down. Again, straight up and down. I took my wrist, right, and I went like that. I twisted my wrist to the right, but the flag, the silk, goes left, okay? And 1. So you're straight up and down. Now to get to count 2 is the hardest part of this move. If you can get to count 2, you can do the rest of it, okay? Count 2 is a little fast because you got to get it up and behind your back. So to demonstrate, we're at 1, you lift up and back. Hands a little awkward, thumb still facing the silk, okay? So to start again, 1, continue with the motion going this way, and 2, and bring it straight up and down behind your back. Now, I told some of you guys this before. If you want, just as a beginner, to practice this, I suggest when you get here, let the pull go on your back of your arm, and then push it behind you. This is only if you can't really get the motion or you're having a hard time. So you're here, 1, up, 2, and push. So you kind of get to count 2 about here, but then you push it back with your elbow so that you know it's straight and it's behind you. It's perfectly behind me, okay? So count 1, count 2. Count 3, really easy, you just go down. So I was here, all I did was basically take my finger and point it that way. Okay? That's count 3. So you're just here, and you go straight down. It's still behind you. So to start over, it's 1, up 2, down 3. Count 4, continuing with the motion, you're going to bring it up, still behind you, 4. Your arm is extremely awkward. Your wrist is like this, and your elbow's back, and it's very uncomfortable. So if you're uncomfortable, you're doing it right. 1, up 2, down 3, up 4. All I did was twist my wrist. Now, make sure to get to count 5, which is back in front of you. Don't keep twisting because it ends up behind you. I'll show you from the front. So you're here, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you get to count 4, make sure the pole comes back in front of you so you can keep doing fans. Because if you're here and you let it keep going, it gets behind you. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's behind you now. Now you're stuck. And it looks sloppy if you go like that. You don't want to tuck it under your arm at all. It's nothing to do with this part of your body. It's just, basically it's like your wrist and your shoulder do all the work. So it's up, down, up, and when you're here, back and front. So I'll do to count 5. 1, up 2, down 3, up 4, and 5. Which is like 1, if you were going to do another fan. So now I will do it to the front. 1, up 2, down 3, up 4, back and front for 5. All the way through. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? It's a very fluid motion. So don't really stop. These are just checkpoints so you know where the flag should be at each count, but it's one motion. And you can continue to do them. And I'll do it to the side. If you notice, it's right behind me. The silk touches the back of my legs. It's straight, it's right behind me. Not an angle or anything, it's straight behind me, okay? Up, right behind my back and up again. Important to note, when you go to do count 1, do not lift up. Because some people, they kind of do like a little prep and they go, and 1. You don't need to do that because it's already going down. Gravity's doing the work for you. Don't fight it. So I don't want to see any of this, because even if it's small, you can still notice when the silk goes up. All you do is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You don't need to lift up, okay? So, now that you guys know how to do it, I'll do it one more time to the back, actually. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? Now, with our exercise, I like to do 3 full fans, so that's 12 counts, and then a flick. So you throw on 13, it spins for 14, you catch on 15, okay? I will demonstrate that to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? So what you want to do is, when you're here, 9, 10, 11, 12, when it's here, you release. When it's like your hand is upside down. So it's like you're just past 13. It's about like, I mean, it would be 13, but you're going with it. So imagine you just passed that point and then you let go.